Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Building Multi-Agent Systems for Collaboration and Competition. Imagine a soccer game. Each player, an agent, has its own goals, score, but they need to cooperate to win. A multi-agent system, MAS, is like that, multiple AI programs working together or against each other to achieve a shared or individual goals. From a developer's perspective, you're building individual programs that can communicate and interact. Each agent is a mini AI program. Think of it like a simple robot with its own set of rules and abilities. As a developer, you'll define these rules, what information it receives, how it processes that information, and what actions it takes. Agents need to talk to each other. This could be as simple as sharing information. The ball is near you. Single quote. Or as complex as negotiating strategies. As developers, we'll use programming techniques to facilitate this communication, APIs, message queues, shared databases, just like building a chat app. Imagine a team of agents working together to build a house. One agent might specialize in laying the foundation, another in building the walls. We'll see how to design agents that cooperate effectively. This often involves defining a common goal and creating mechanisms for them to coordinate their actions. Now, imagine those same agents competing for resources. This is where things get interesting. We'll explore how to build agents that strategically compete, using techniques like game theory to make smart decisions. Let's build a tiny MAS. We'll create simple AI agents that buy and sell stocks. They'll compete to make the most money, demonstrating the basics of building and running a multi-agent system. MAS are used everywhere, from traffic management, agents are cars, to supply chain optimization, agents are warehouses and trucks. We'll briefly discuss more advanced techniques and exciting real-world applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.